you see that you have the finger bit basically. Okay, so we can change the name. This one we can call I don't know, finger bit. Okay, finger bit.
Oh, you want that up now? I have it here.
Yeah, we have to put it on the machine to measure it, so we'll do it later. For now, I want to just talk about the finger bit. So on the finger bit here, you have this option here. See at the top, you have side spindle or you have 5-axis head. This is depend where you want to put this finger bit. Okay, if you want to put it on the side spindle or if you want to put it on the center of the head. Now
side.
you have the side spindle, so you are gonna use always a side spindle, but be sure that this is side spindle because otherwise the machine is gonna try to cut it with the head.
If we select wrong, yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
Okay, so this should be in your case always side spindle. Then here, you put the name, whatever you want, and router type here. I mean, normally you are gonna use normal because you don't have a weird shape. But if, for example, if it's round, you have the bull nose, or you have a lot of different shape, but you are gonna use always normal, which is the finger bit standard.
What about like round, like a thing? I have a thing like this.
It doesn't matter. We are setting up the tool.
Oh, okay.
It's
I just use normal. Okay.
yeah. This is the normal because it's flat here. Okay, and here we should set the length of the finger bit and the diameter of the finger bit. So we will get this number when we set it up on the machine. And then you have the same parameter that you have for the blade. But of course, in this case, because this is a finger bit and we always wanna cut in steps, I'm gonna set here the max depth Z. I'm gonna set it to what is the maximum that I wanna cut.
Like we cut normal 3 cm and 2 cm a lot. How step 1/8?
Yeah, you wanna set here what's the maximum amount of material that you wanna remove in one pass with the finger bit. Okay, so if you don't wanna cut more than 1/8, let's say with the finger bit, you set it to 1/8.
Okay. I'm not sure this is new for me. How normally people use it? Like 5 times or 2 times? Where the corner?
It's not 5 times 2 times. It's how much material you want to remove. Because if the slab is 3 cm, it's gonna use more step. If it's 2 cm, less. If it's half inch, even less. So here, what you wanna set is how much material you wanna remove. Okay, that is something that usually your tool supplier is gonna tell you they call the stock removal. So how much material you can remove in one pass, which usually is between 1 and 2 millimeter, which is around 1/16. Normally, I would say not more than 1/8.
Okay, so you that one you learn it.
Okay, so that's why we can set this to right now. What is set? Is set to the number is what? Is probably a little more than 1/16. Okay, so we can keep it like that. It means the finger bit is not gonna cut more than this. Every time you use the finger bit, it's gonna cut.
And machine can calculate by itself.
Yeah, it's gonna calculate how many steps you need to reach the bottom. Okay.
I see. This way we don't need to like divide by step like the other machine, other software. Yeah.
And then we have the same thing here, head feed. Sorry, just a second.